fitting a new diesel heater in the van. So this here, to put your Jubilee clip on, I bought some gunk as well. It's just exhaust paste, only about £4 for a tube. Just make doubly sure you're going to be safe when you're in your van, no leaks. But getting that tight is a nightmare. So you need really a 7mm screwdriver, 7mm spanner, which fits perfectly, like so. Right, I'm happy with that. That's solid. And that's the air intake one as well, this one here. So that sucks the air from the outside, fresh air, warms it up inside. The diesel blows out the heat and gets rid of the dirty, just like an exhaust in a car. Very clever stuff. That's the diesel here installed. Just got to put the bolts in. I've just fueled it up. Got a tiny bit of patchwork to do around here. I can just lift that up and do it. Redo this side of the wall, make it neater for that. I don't like it pushing hard against there, but just going to get it all in primed up and see what happens. Just using my old connection. It'll just blow out there. This is the newer model. The older version of this, that was basically attached to the side there, whereas this one's longer, so I can put it where the other one was. Remote control, nice little remote control there. That unit's tidy. Remote, no to it. On, off, up, down. And also I've got the app installed on my phone, so I'm looking forward to having a go with that when it's nice and frosty outside. Lying in bed, get the van defrosted before I go to work. That's it, fired up, dead easy. I just hit fire up button. I thought I'd have to stop priming, it probably will. I don't know. See what happens. Diesel heater in. I've just got to connect the Bluetooth. It's got a nice simple little remote control to switch it on and off. So bearing in mind the time of year it is, it's I think 30th of November now, and we're getting quite a bit of ice on the vans and cars and things. Mine hasn't got heated screen, so I've put a T-bar section, like a T junction here. Got the normal pipe running, so the heat comes out and just blows out to this part of the van, which heats the whole van up quite quickly. I've run another one through here. I've got a bit of alterations to do, which I love doing anyway. I've got a hole, nice circular hole through there, and then when it's nice and icy there in the morning when I get up, remote controls in the house, pop the button and the heat will come out of there and defrost it, and I'll have a nice warm toasty van to go to work in or wherever I'm going. But yeah, I've got a little bit of block work here to do, tidy all that up. It look absolutely smart as a dart, and get on, and that's it. I just found this winter coat that I bought just while I'm on, right. It's really chunky, lovely, furry. I never wear it. It's literally brand new. There's a guy, unfortunately, who I see sits outside work quite a lot. He's got nothing, so it's in the van to give to him today if I see him. Wouldn't do anybody harm to just have a look around for an old jacket and hand it out to somebody instead of charity shop, so you know they're getting it. Just a thought.